Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to touch base real quick on one of the moves that we've been doing in our leg workouts and the full body workouts, it's the side lunges. So let's go over the setup real quick. You want to have your feet a comfortable distance apart, okay? You don't need to do like that standing splits. Just find a distance that works for you and your toes can be pointed slightly out. Now, if you're gonna go body weight, you can go as low as you feel comfortable. What you really want to do here is make sure that your knee stays in line with your toes. So if your toes are pointing one way, we do not want the knee to be facing another way. So you just look down, knee in line with the toes, and then you push back up. One thing that you can do, which I personally like doing, is we go down, we go down, we go down, and then we can actually raise our heel up right here. This does a couple things. Number one, it keeps our upper body a little bit more upright. It's a lot easier on the back, and then it gives us a really good quad workout. So when we do this with dumbbells, that gives us two options that we can choose from. If I want to go heavy, I can grab both my dumbbells and I can keep my heel on the ground and then lean my body forward a little bit more. So it looks like this, right here, and then I just push back up. That's gonna make me push more weight. It's gonna be a little bit more back focused, so a little bit more like a deadlift. And then if I want a little bit more of a quad workout, I go lighter. The heel comes off the ground, right here, and then I come up. So the second option, less weight, less back involvement because we're keeping the torso a little bit more upright, and then more legs. One is not better than the other. It's entirely up to you depending on your goals and what you want to work on. Like I said, the number one thing you want to do or look for, keep your knee in line with your toes.